So I got involved with Habitat through my local church in Maryland 15, 16 years ago, and it's been one of the biggest things that I've done in my life, one of the most important things I've done in my life. So when I first came up with this idea that we could maybe get some of the Lowe's window team and support team out here installing windows, there was no question which partner I would call, and it's Pella.
Well, our partnership started many years ago in the early 2000s, and it's been ongoing since, and the evolution of that has really taken us to today, where we're now more involved in not only the partnership of working together in business, but also our partnership really dealing with things such as Habitat for Humanity. And so this is our opportunity to pay it forward.
The products we're using here today at this Habitat site is Pella 250 series single hung windows, as well as fiberglass entry doors. Both of those products perform very well in terms of performance, features, and quality, as well as aesthetics and feedback we get from our customers. We know they'll be happy with the products in their new home.
The Pella teams, the Habitat team, the Lowe's teams, again, all came together, give value back to the community, and it was great because a lot of the folks that work either at Lowe's or at Pella don't get to work with the product every day and then get that real product interaction. So whenever you get that, whether you're in a store, we're talking to an associate, at the millwork desk with a customer, or here putting in product actually in a real home and understanding the sealant and the value of what the product provides and what a good installation provides, there's just a lot to learn on a job like this, and we're really excited that we're able to partner up and get this done today.
I've been fortunate enough to work alongside some amazing people that are getting Habitat homes, and I really truly believe that any of us could be in a position where we might be experiencing homelessness for a variety of reasons, and so I think that's an important piece to remember.
One of the things that Pella calls out is Pella Passion. And I think to do Pella Passion, you have to do it in every aspect of your life to live it out and carry it out. Being part of that, it helps you really have excitement about what you do every day because you know you're making a difference. It's not just a window, it's a part of someone's home.